Hey everyone, this is Jeffrey. The train's here at home. Got a Norfolk Southern train coming in Greenville.
Norfolk Southern coming. Let's check this out.
Let's check it out. This is our 4th train video. Actually, our 5th train video today. We did the Norfolk Southern, or not the NS, 2 Canadian Nationals, 2 OC&Ts, and now the Norfolk Southern C29 is what we have assembled. Starts off from Sharon, Pennsylvania, and takes place to Meadville, Pennsylvania, heading west. I'm not sure if it's an SD40-2 or not. I don't know. I'm gonna replay this right now.
A lot of grain hoppers, huh?
Now, GP38, all right, and a GP40 trailing. I think this is going to be a big one. It's going to be a big train. I tilt the tablet sideways or almost sideways because there's OC&T and now 2 of the OC&Ts, and then this train here sideways.
Look at all them hoppers, huh?
Oh, this is a big, there's a lot of hoppers in this train.
Big trains, huh?
This is a big one. Mostly heading to Titusville. There's a Conrail coil car. There's the end. There is the end.
Symbol on that train was C29. I'm gonna say CSX, huh?
Yeah, good thing I didn't say CSX. Otherwise, I would have gone to a wrong spot if there'd been a CSX right there. But this is Norfolk Southern. C29 is the symbol. Again, starts off from Sharon, Pennsylvania, and takes place from Meadville, Pennsylvania, heading west. All right, we're going to be getting off, and we'll be back on with the next train video. Talk to you later, and thanks for watching Jeffrey the Train Expert live train video. And give me a like.